Alright, welcome back on my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. Today's video, like promised, I'm showing you guys my losing trade and also one of the biggest trade one of the last week. So I just want to break down to you guys and show you guys that even if you follow your trading plan to the T, sometimes it doesn't work exactly out. But like I said in other videos, it's just a numbers game, right? So you got to trade over 100 trades, over 50, 70, 80, whatever amount of trades that you're comfortable with to see if your strategy works. So if you guys saw the last video, I lost $1,000, but then I already recovered the loss. But I already also withdrew $1,000, so I'm up basically 30% of my investment right now. Right now, I'm investing, my account is the size of $3,000, and right now I'm up 1,000, so that's 30% of my account. So as I make more money from trading forex, I'm gonna start slowly increasing my account balance, so I can 30%, let's say, of $10,000 is going to be $3,300. So as I get more confident and get more data off my strategy, I'm going to slowly just increase my account balance. So let's get straight to the trade that I took, that I lost. And I followed my rules exactly. If you guys haven't seen my other video, like I said, even though I follow my rules exactly, it's not always going to work out perfectly. So this one right here is the GBP CHF that I lost on November 5th. So the reason I took this trade was I like to trade with the moving averages. So this is the M15 time frame. I like to trade with the M15 MA200. If it's above it, then I'm just going to do buys. But M15, I like to just trade basically short term. It's kind of like a scalping strategy. I have a lot of other videos breaks down more of my strategy. But basically for M15, I don't really look at the other moving averages except the moving average 200. So when it came up here, even though it broke the 50, I don't look at the 50. So when it broke, all I saw was this. So I like to trade pullbacks, meaning I like the price to pull back and then sell on the peak. But even though it broke through these, people could say, oh, you shouldn't have traded. But I've done a lot of trades, and even though it went past it, it's fine for me because all I look at is the moving average 200 for the M15. I looked at other time frames too, but then every time I change a time frame, it kind of messes up the screen, so I'll just break down the M15 for you guys today. So basically, it went in my direction. Almost hit take profit, as you can see here. Almost hit take profit. It was literally like probably like 1 or 2 pips away, and it didn't hit take profit. And people might ask, why don't you just close it? It's because I like to follow my trading plan to the T. I keep referencing my video on psychology of trading because you want to just follow your plan and just let it go. Don't let your emotions take over. If I let's say start trading a 100K account, well not 100K, like 10K to 50K account, that little 2 pips could cost me hundreds of dollars. And from all the testing that I've done with live money and demo and back testing, I realized that it's going to add up to a lot, and usually it comes back and hit it, but this is just one of the scenarios where it didn't. So within 1 hour, it almost hit the take profit, but then it never came back, and it just hit my stop loss. Yeah, so it just hit my stop loss. I just let it go, and if it hits stop loss, it hits it. If it hits my take profit, then it does, right? So that's that trade. I remember seeing it. I'm like, oh, cool. It's about to hit take profit in an hour. Then it actually went the opposite way, but it's fine. Like I said, it's part of trading. You're not going to win every trade. The thing I like about my trading strategy is that it's a high winning percentage, so it gives you more confidence. But when you do lose a big chunk. But I'm still in positive right now, so everything's so far so good. So I'll show you guys a Euro CHF, which is the one where I made $260 off one trade here. So with this trade, it's exactly what I did with the last trade, right? But you know what? Like I said, some trades doesn't work exactly like you want, and some trades, majority of my trades go my way. I'm basically this trading strategy, I'm about 90 to 95% win rate. So it's a high winning percentage. So you see here, what I saw is just, I love it when it comes close to the moving average 200 because it bounces better, is what I've seen from just doing backtesting and trading itself. So it goes and it hit it. Of course, it doesn't go perfectly there, which is fine. And then it almost bounced back. I think that was wick down. Oh, it didn't have any wick, but yeah, it went to negative for a little bit, probably like 2 hours, and it came back, hit profit within a couple hours. Yes, it went profit a couple hours. Bam, straight to profit. Exact same strategy as my losing one. One thing that I want to say it's a mistake, but something I wish I learned earlier was sample size of your trades. Like every time I lost a trade, I will always think, oh, like there's something wrong with my strategy. That's why I'm not winning. So I keep going to add like moving average, like another moving average, like moving average 15, moving average whatever, or adding more indicators, stochastic indicators, trying to find out the magic indicator, right? So just because you lose one trade doesn't mean your strategy is not correct. You just got to keep going, adding more trades, more data to your strategy, going 100 trades, 200 trades. I can't emphasize that enough. To keep adding more trades and having more data into your strategy before you even change it. At least 100 trades to find out if your strategy works before even adding another indicator, before, I don't know, doing support, like changing up your support resistance, or like adding channels or whatever you want to add. If you follow any Forex, you always see people like, oh, like stochastic is the way to go, or trading channels is the way to go. And we always just want to keep adding onto it, and then it just becomes too much, and then eventually we quit trading, right? So keep it simple, have larger sample size, and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then now you got to add something or remove something. You don't even need to just always add. Maybe it's to simplify your strategy to make it work. For me, I like to simplify it. I just do moving averages, look at multiple time frames, support resistance, and just let the trade play out. And so far, I'm up 30% in a couple months. So so far for me, I like what's going on. So far for me, I'm okay with the results. It's just a matter of increasing my balance and the 30% of whatever amount that I'm comfortable with. Hopefully one day I can start trading a 100K account, and then I can make 30K in a couple months. And I hope I can teach you guys to do that through my videos as well. And that's what this channel is about, right? Teaching you guys what I'm doing. Hopefully it helps you guys add on to your strategy, and maybe click something helps you guys become more profitable. So yeah, it went all the way down, hit profit, hit it multiple times. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, comment down below what you want to see or any questions you guys have. I'll be happy to answer it for you guys to hopefully help you guys become a profitable trader, stop blowing your accounts, or just become more confident in your trading, okay? So thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you guys next time.